1. High-tech mess. As a virtual currency, Bitcoin is pages of codes. The beginning of Bitcoin dates back to 2008, when a paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, signed by Satoshi Nakamoto, was distributed to a mailing list. In 2009, the very first cryptocurrency, called Bitcoin, was launched based on the idea in that paper. Cryptocurrencies are the computer-managed public ledger entries that can function as money, as long as people value these entries as money and use them for purchase and sales. Like many other computer science products, there must be an impressive mathematical theories underlying cryptocurrencies. See here. Don't understand them? No worries, it's quite normal. Even many investors and the bosses of Bitcoin agencies and companies barely know how Bitcoin works on Earth. The underlying concepts and theories such as the Merkle trees or elliptic curve digital signature algorithm, unless you are good at both computer science and mathematics. Interestingly, never has such high-tech code prevented people from thinking it valuable. Rather, it has considerably enhanced the mysterious charm of Bitcoin. Wow, fantastic! I have no idea any code of it though. Why? In the age of information, you know people worship blindly something seemingly high-tech. Even the more mysterious high-tech code it looks like, the much more people believe it could change the world. The design of Bitcoin does have technical magic. Technologically, Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, which is based on sophisticated computer science and mathematics, does revolutionarily scheme out an ideal electronic finance system that subverts our current real one and allows everyone in the new system to securely and equally own their properties, which mentally help people in spiritual woes from the Great Recession since 2007 and bring people new hope.